Hello children, welcome to another session of EVS. Today we are going to study about the directions. Lesson number 18. Take out page number 133. Children, could you see this picture? Yes? What all things you are able to see in this picture? Elephant is there, boy, tree, rose plant, grapevine and pumpkin. All these things we are able to see. One boy is also there whose name is Golu. Understood? So, if I ask you something about the directions, you will just be able to say right, left, behind, front. All these words you will use for it. But we mostly use north, south, east and west. You might have heard that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This you all know, I think so. So, today we are going to read about those directions. Let us do this worksheet which is given here. Banana tree is in the dash of the child. Where is banana tree? Can you see? This is banana tree. Banana tree is in the front of the child. What would you write? Front of the child. Pumpkin is dash Golu. Behind. Pumpkin is lying behind Golu. So what would you write here? Behind. Spellings you can see from here. Rose plant is to the dash of Golu. Rose plant. Where is rose plant? Here. Rose plant is to the right of Golu. R-I-G-H-T. And grapevine is to the dash of Golu. Where is grapevine? This. So grapevine is to the left of Golu. Clear? Now, there are many directions. Instead of left, right, behind and front, we use these words. As I told you, we use east, west, north and south. Cardinal directions. There are four important directions: north, south, east and west. So keep this in mind, learn them: north, south, east and west, or east, west, north and south. Anyways, you can learn it. How to find the direction, children? How would you be able to find the direction? You need to stand towards the sun, face towards the sun. When you suppose you are in your school ground, okay, and then you face towards the sun, that direction is east. Where the sun is rising, that is east. Your back is towards the west, and when you stretch your arm, this side is your north and this side is your south. Clear? East is in your front and at back you have west. North is towards your left hand and south is towards your right hand. Clear? The sun changes its position from time to time. Means sun does not remain in one direction. It keeps on changing its position. So, in the afternoon, the sun is above our head at 12 o'clock. In the afternoon, the sun is above our head. That time our shadow is very small, shortest. In the evening, the sun is seen setting in the west. The sun sets in the west. Slowly the sun sets and we see it only in the next morning. Now, there is one object called compass. Compass is used by the sailors in the ship. They find the direction with the help of this compass. Needles are there in the compass. So, the sailors see these needles, and with the help of these needles they find out the direction, in which direction the ship is moving. See, this is north, south, east and west. Okay. And use of maps are also helpful in finding the directions. Map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface such as a piece of paper. See this, you might have used map or seen maps. In next class you will be using them in the school for marking some places in your social studies subject, which has not been introduced to you yet. So next year, in the next class, you will be using them. So these are maps. I hope all of you have understood this chapter. Children, now revise this chapter and read it and learn by heart whatever has to be learnt, and later we will be solving the exercises and question answers of this chapter.